Good evening everyone. Hi, I am Dr. Sogata Sarkar. I am a general physician, a men's physique athlete and a fitness enthusiast. So this is my YouTube channel and here I'll answer all your queries regarding fitness, diet, workout and health. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to make your gym safe and well sanitized after lockdown and what are the measures that a gym owner and a gym goer should take. So the first thing is capacity. You need to have an idea how many people can work out together at a time. It is approximately 100 square feet per person. Suppose you have 1000 square feet carpet area at your gym, so you can afford 10 people at a time. And that's how you can avoid your gym getting overcrowded, and that will be safe for the gym owners and the gym goers as well. My second point is gym sanitization. So you have to sanitize your gym in every 2 hours. For that, you can use some high concentration alcohol sanitizer spray that you can use all over your gym equipment, or you can use some sanitizer vaporizing machine that will help you to sanitize your entire gym in approximately 2 to 3 minutes, and I'll demonstrate you how to do that. So this was one of the ways to sanitize your gym. It was cost effective and was easy to do as well. You can find out some alternative, but for the most important thing is you have to keep sanitizing your gym. My third point is sanitize members. You have to sanitize your every member before entering the gym. To do that, you can use the high concentration alcohol sanitizer spray or the same sanitizer vaporizing machine, and I'll demonstrate you how to do that. So this is how you can sanitize your members from head to toe, and that is the easiest and the most effective way, I think, to keep your members well sanitized. My fourth point is temperature screening and clinical checkup. What you have to do is you have to keep an infrared contactless thermometer in your gym, and you have to check body temperature of every individual whoever is entering the gym, and you have to also go through the detailed clinical history and clinical checkup of every person who is entering the gym, including the gym owners and the gym members. If anyone is found having any symptom close to COVID-19 symptoms like anosmia, which is absence of smell sensation, fever, any kind of cough or difficulty in breathing, that person shouldn't be allowed entering the gym. So that was my point number 4. Now let's move on to the point number 5, which is protect people interacting with clients. All the gym trainers, receptionists and every member related to the gym management should be taking proper precaution and protection. I'll tell you why. Because whenever a person in the gym management gets infected, then the chance of spreading infection among the members becomes more. What you need to do is you have to give your trainers, your receptionists and gym management persons a proper face shield, a face mask and a pair of gloves, and they should be sanitizing themselves as frequently as they can. And you have to keep a sanitizer bottle at the reception table, because every time whenever there is an exchange between the receptionist and the gym member, they can sanitize their hands well. But the gym members shouldn't be using any kind of mask while exercising. That can really be fatal. So avoid using mask while you are working out. Now let's move on to the 6th point, which is precaution for members. Every individual who is coming to the gym should take 8 to 10 minutes of steam inhalation immediately after returning from the gym, and they should take an immediate shower. They should wash their clothes and sanitize everything they had taken to the gym. So that's how they can prevent themselves from getting infected. Now I'll come to the last point of my list, which is one of the most important points, which is awareness. If any of the individual who is coming to the gym or any gym authority person is feeling that that person is not feeling well or having any symptom close to the risky ones, that person should keep himself or herself self-quarantined. And if that person is feeling that the symptoms are exaggerating, then he or she should go for an immediate checkup. That's how you can keep yourself safe and as well as the society safe. So that is the most important thing, awareness. So here I request everyone to come to the gym and start working out and exercising as soon as the gyms get opened, because gym is the only place that doesn't infect you. It will make you stronger, it will help you to boost your immunity, and it will help you to fight against this kind of diseases. So hit the floor as soon as the gyms get opened. And I'll also like to appeal to the higher authority and the government to consider reopening the gyms, because if you are allowing every other places like shopping mall, beauty parlor, salon, restaurants, hotels, public transports to get open, then the gyms should also open as soon as possible, because if contamination can happen from gym, then it can also happen from other places as well. Among all these, gym is the only place that can boost your immunity and help you to fight against these kind of deadly diseases. So my appeal to the government, please consider reopening the gyms as soon as possible, as there are plenty of people, trainers and families who are surviving through this industry and earning their bread and butter from this industry. So please consider about reopening this industry as soon as possible, and please save these people. Thank you. So if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I am uploading a new video, and spread this video among your fitness community.